So, good morning, students. Today we read the grammar, Macmillan Education Book, Class 5th, Chapter 17, Subject or Agreement. So, already we read about subject, how to use verb according to subject in tense set, present, past, future in tense set, how the verbs changes in the according to subject or according to number of the subjects. So, that is the agreement. The verb must be changed with the subject. The first condition, what is the first agreement? That the subject and the verb must agree the number. Okay, so subject and verb must agree the number. So what does it mean agree the number? So if subject is singular, verb is singular. If subject is plural, verb also plural. Okay, so suppose I am, okay, we are, suppose I is subject, then verb am, suppose we are, okay. So suppose I am a player, then if verb subject changes, I to we, plural, number changes, then we are players. Okay, okay, subject. Then suppose I uh, suppose I go, if verb changes to he, goes. Okay, so according to subject, suppose he goes, he will be plural, then suppose they go, verb changes, he goes means they go. Okay, so verb subject and verb first agreement is verb must changes according to the number. So there is must agree in number, that is the first condition. Then using the verb be with different subjects. So be form means what? Each, am, are, was, were. These are called be forms. So be forms also changing according to subject. So what I said, I am, we are. Okay, I am going. Suppose in this sentence, some sentence read, some sentence I will write. That is, I am going, that is it is state the agreement of be form. Okay, I am going, I was going. Okay, so if we change the number, okay, so I, we, so it is not am, we are going. Okay, then we were going. Okay, so the be form changes the according to subject. Okay, then suppose in present tense, he is, he is going, he was going. So according to tense also the be forms changes. So suppose he is going, they are going. Okay, so if subject changes he to they were going. So according to subject, the be forms also changes. So according to subject, the be forms changes. We are going, we were going, you are going, you were going, they are going, they were going, the men are going, whatever. So according to subject, I, if subject I am, subject we are. So in past form was, were, you are, you were. Okay, he is, he was, she is, she was, it is, it was, he, she, it, plural is they. So they are or they were. So according to subject, be forms changes. That is the subject and verb agreement in case of be form. Okay, then another subject using have or has. Okay, using have or has. It is in participle form used, also in ownership also has have uses. So has have also in singular case he she has, plural they have. So use of has or have how much? How? Use of has, have. Okay. So according to subject, what is I, we, you, they and plural nouns. I, we, you, they and plural nouns. Suppose I, we, you, they or plural nouns, you will use have. Okay. I have, you have, we have, they have, Ram and Shyam have. But has is used with what? He, she, it. Singular third person. They are what? Singular third person. We use has. Okay? Is has. He has. She has. It has. Ram has. Gopal has. Sita has. So singular third person we use has. Or I, we, you, they and plural subject we use have. Okay. So this is the subject verb agreement according by using has or have. Okay. So this is the subject verb. First subject and verb agrees with a number. Then be forms changes according to subject and verb. Then also another next is use of has or have also uses according to the verb. So some points to remember. So by using the subject verb agreement, you have to remember some points related to this. The what points? If the subject has two nouns or pronouns joined by and, we use plural verb. So I said Ram has or I have. Suppose I and Ram and Sam, so they are plural. So in that case, you will not use has, you have to use have. Okay. Suppose Ram has gone. So here Ram is singular subject. Okay. Singular third person. Suppose you hear Ram and Shyam. Here it is not has, have gone because Ram and Shyam counted as plural subject. Okay. Ram and Shyam counted as plural subject. So there not use has, you will use have. I have. Okay. I and you have. So here also that is it is if subject is plural or two names or two nouns are there, that is considered as a plural subject. Neha and Hema are eating cereals. The cat and the dog have or are sleeping, not is sleeping. We use a singular verb with collective noun. Suppose you say a bunch of key. Okay. So a gang of thieves. So keys means it is plural. A bunch of key means one bunch. It is singular. So it is collective. A band of musicians. Okay. Then a herd of cows or a gang of thieves. So it is used counted as a singular subject. So suppose a bunch of keys is on the table. So here keys means it is not a plural. Okay. Keys means not a plural. A bunch of keys means totally a bunch of keys is a singular subject. Okay. So a bunch of key is a singular subject. Keys means that is not plural. So in case of collective noun, bunch, head, bucket, group, band, okay, gang. So these collective nouns used as a singular subject. So according to singular subject, you use the be forms is, am. Okay. A phrase that comes between the noun and the verb does not make a difference to the agreement between the subject and the verb. We should only consider the number of noun and the verb. The phrase comes also, you will not count that. Okay. So suppose the colors of the flag are beautiful. The completely fair the colors of the flag. Okay. So here flag is singular. Okay. The colors of the flag has the three colors. So tricolor flag. So the colors of the flag. The colors of the flag is beautiful. So here it is a phrase. The colors of the flag, completely group of words it is. So a colors of the flag, that means here flag singular means what? Not it is are. So singular means it is not singular. So colors, that means it indicates the three colors of the flag, tricolor. So they are beautiful. So that is counted as a plural form. Okay, the students of the class. So the students of the class means one class, but number of students are there. So it is used as plural. The students of the class are clapping or dancing or jumping or disturbing. Okay, so that is in case of phrase that is used as a singular subject. Title of the books, films are singular and a singular verb. Gulliver's Travel. So it is a title of a book. Okay. Then Star Wars. It is The Force Awakens is a popular science fiction film. So film's name is Star Wars, The Force Awakens. So it is a group of words, but it is a name of a film. Okay. So it is used as a singular. So a name of a book. Macmillan Education English grammar book. It is means one book. So it is counted as a Macmillan English grammar book is a useful book. So Macmillan English grammar, the complete it is a one name of a book. So it is used as a singular subject. Okay. When we use units of measurement, liter, kilogram, meter and hour, we use singular verb. So meter, liter, kilogram. So it is used as a singular verb. 5 liters of petrol is left in the glass. 5 liters, but it is not a plural subject. Okay, 2 kilos, that is not a plural subject. 2 kilos also it is used as a singular verb. The subject verb agreement, you have to remind these rules. Okay, so 3 meters of clothes is needed, not are needed. Okay, 4 hours is a long time. So units of measure. Okay, so units of measure, just kilo, kg, gram, then meter, liter, all this used as a singular subject. 2 kilos of potato is in the bag. So here 2 kilos of potato, it is not a plural subject, it is a singular subject. So unit of measurement used as a singular subject. Okay, so what are the agreement, the rules? First rule is if there are two nouns, it is used as a plural. Second rule is in collective noun, it is always used in the singular subject. Then third rule is if a phrase is given, also that is used as a singular subject. If the name of a book, name of a film, it is a group of words, then also it is used as a singular subject. Then units of measurement, liter, kilogram, gram, meter, all this also used as a singular subject. 5 kilos of potato is not are. 5 liters of petrol is not are. So you have to remind these rules by using the subject verb agreements. Okay, and I hope you understood the chapter clearly. So this is all about today's video. Thank you.